Hey, I'm Mateo with WTI, and I have been wanting to ditch plastic bottles for a while now. And this insulated stainless steel bottle by Fijinhom has been the perfect solution. It's become my go to companion whether I'm heading to the gym, out on a bike ride, or just at my desk at work. What really impressed me is how well it keeps drinks cold. I'll toss a few ice cubes in the morning, and even after 6 hours, some are still there. But it's not just for cold drinks. This bottle does an amazing job with hot beverages too. I love bringing my own coffee to the office, and it stays hot for hours while I work. No more trips to the microwave or lukewarm sips. It's lightweight, super portable, and built to go anywhere. I genuinely use it every day, so if you're looking for a reliable bottle that keeps your drinks at the perfect temperature at all times, this one is definitely worth checking out. And that is my point of view.